There is a part of you that already knows how to feel grounded. A part of you that feels steady, supported, and deeply connected to Earth. But sometimes that energy becomes blocked. And when it does, you may feel unbalanced, disconnected, or not fully present in your body. In this meditation, we gently return to your foundation, activating, clearing, and restoring your root chakra. Before we begin, the root chakra is the energy center at the base of your spine. It represents your foundation, your connection to Earth, and your sense of physical presence in this world. When this chakra is balanced, you feel stable, grounded, and supported. When it needs attention, you may feel uncentered or energetically scattered. Today, we simply allow this energy center to return to its natural state of balance. Join me in this meditation by finding a comfortable position. Allow your body to rest. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. And again, inhale and exhale, letting your body soften. Bring your awareness into your body. Notice the points where you feel supported. Allow your shoulders to drop, your face to soften. Let your body feel heavy and held. Now, bring your awareness to the base of your spine. Visualize a soft, glowing red light. Steady, warm, and calm. With each breath in, this gently expands. With each breath out, it becomes clearer, brighter. Now imagine this energy extending downward like roots. Connecting you deeply into this earth. The earth supports you, it holds you, it stabilizes you. Now, imagine a gentle flow of energy moving through your root chakra, softly clearing away anything that no longer needs to be held. There is nothing to force, nothing to fix. Just allow. As this energy flows, your root chakra becomes balanced, open, and aligned. Gently repeat if it feels right for you. I am grounded. I am supported. I am connected. Rest here for a few moments, simply breathing, feeling steady, present, and connected. And slowly bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. If you enjoyed this energy healing practice, feel free to return to it whenever you need to reconnect, and subscribe for more guided meditations and Reiki sessions.